Before the video starts, make sure you subscribe to the SMIC003.
What is going on, Squad? Diaz here. Before the video starts, I just want to say thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. I appreciate all of you, all the new subscribers and all the OG subscribers. Welcome. I'm Diaz. I try to post a lot of different type of videos, vlogs, cars, guns, gym. Gym is gonna be a new one. I'm not picking my nose. I'm just itchy on my lip. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. It's really crazy. I wanted to do something crazy for 200, but not a lot of things are open, you know, and not a lot of, you know me, if you guys see my videos, you know I like to do things with people, and most of my friends are always busy or just not available to do. Or, hold on, pause, not available to go out, you know. Oh, hell no. Like I was saying, thank you guys so much for 200. My next goal is to hit 500. You're like, why 500? 500, you can get monetized. It used to be 1,000 subscribers. Now 500 subscribers, you can get monetized, and you know, sponsors start coming in. YouTube takes you more serious, and with that monetization or whatever it's called, with that money, it can go towards the vlogs. You know, go do. I don't know why lately I want to be doing like fishing things. You know, maybe some of y'all will like it, maybe not. You know, I want to start recording a lot more too. But it's just a lot of people are busy. No one has the time, and just no one wants to go fishing, golfing, you know, things that get my interest. I just have to find the right people to do that with. But as I was saying, thank you guys so much. Next goal 500. I know we can do it. We've been growing slowly but surely. To the new people, welcome. I'm Diaz. You may see my friends here and there. My main two are my brother Alex, and my other one is my homie Sleepy, also known as Dante. You'll probably see him here and there. But today's video, we're gonna be installing something easy, hopefully. Interior lights or map lights or dome lights for the Mustang. If you guys want to stay tuned and watch it, just, you know, I don't know what to tell you. Also, what you guys think about that intro? Kind of weird and new, huh? Yeah. Well, let's get to it. What do you guys think about that 1994 chain though? I had to get it. It's a 1994, and like first thing I thought about was my car, and I was like, yes sir, I'm getting that. So pretty much what we're gonna be changing is these lights. They're called map lights or dome lights or interior lights. Pretty much when you open the door, look at that nasty old color, factory. No one likes that. No one, you know. And I think to do this, you just need flathead screwdriver and a normal cross screwdriver to take these out. I think I could also do these. I'm not too sure. I think I can. We're about to find out. Hopefully we got the right pack of them. I don't know, we might find out. Or it might be like another thing with the radio. I don't think I told you guys. The first one I got was broken, so I had to wait another like 2 days to get the other one and just do it, fix it. But let's get straight to it. The screwdriver, look at that. So pretty much, ooh, sure, I'm gonna have to clean this out. Yeah. So okay, so then after this, you wanna grab your cross screwdriver. There's the light right here, the old factory one. So pretty much when you open it, that will turn on. First, I want to see if the ones I got will fit it. Alright, that's a lot better. I don't know why, like the frame rate just looked really low. So I think we can just pull this out. Yep. The old factory headlight. I think it will. I hope so. So let's try to pop this one right in. It's kind of hard to record with one hand doing it. My bad, pimps. Okay, it's in. Let's see if it works. Oh, that's a lot better. Look at that. That's, yo. Look how bright it is. Oh, it's gonna be such a big difference at night. All right, so now we got these done, right? We got the main one done. Now we gotta get to these ones. And to get to these ones, it's a little bit more tricky, pretty much. You see those screws right there? We gotta take them out. That's why this is where the screwdriver comes in handy. Future me, I'm putting this in the video for the people that are taking this off. Be careful, because this thing right here does not like go out anymore. This is just it right here. It's just this. So just be careful when taking this out. Also, fuck y'all to the ones that made the video and never said anything about this. It's really important to like kind of tell detail. But yeah, this shit was hard to take off. I do this with 2 hands. But in the meanwhile, how's it going, y'all? What y'all been up to? What y'all been doing this summer? Summer's about to end. That's crazy. Summer's literally about to end. Like, it's getting cold now and stuff like that. Yeah, if you guys been this far, comment pineapple. I don't know. Damn, these screws are kind of hard to take off, I ain't gonna lie. But I mean, this light thing never been open since 1994, so damn, bro. Am I even going the right way? Yeah, I'm going the right way. Okay, I'm going the right way. So it's just they're old as hell, so I just have to take them off a certain way. Damn, bro, how long? Bro, these screws are pretty long. I ain't even gonna cap. You know what? This probably would have been a lot better with my electric one. I done fucked up. I'm gonna take a while here now. Damn, bro, these screws are long as hell. Alright, I might just get them out. I'm just trying to like move this little piece of metal up a little by little. Can you take it off actually? Yeah, you can. So I would recommend, I'm not gonna take it off, but you can move this piece up little by little to get access to the light bulb. Put it around, you see the light bulb right there. I'm gonna try to push it with my finger. Yeah, I don't trust myself. Bro, no, bro, fuck that. I feel like it's gonna break. I might just use like a knife or something. Oh, the flathead screwdriver, use that. Y'all can use that. I'm not using a flathead screwdriver because I don't have one. I'm using like my knife. With the flathead screwdriver, just pry like, well, first you want to move this up a little bit so you have access to it, and then just put your flathead like right, you know. So it's like this. Oh shit. So it's like this. Put your flathead right here and squeeze it open a little bit, you know. Damn, this shit was hard, I ain't gonna lie. Like, especially this part right here, because you only got that much wire to work of. If you break it, you're kind of fucked. So, just got one done. Got this one done. First I'm gonna have to see if these are actually, like, I don't know if there's a certain way you have to put them in. But I'm gonna test that out, and then I'm gonna do this one. So like I said, just make sure this thing goes up a little bit. Looks like you can remove these things. It says right here. Remove it, or remove for live, remove, bro, like the 88 chip. Remove for bulb services. So you can remove this. I don't want to, so I'm just gonna like go up a little bit. See if I can do this one-handed. I'm using a knife. This is why I recommend y'all using a flathead screwdriver. So. Yeah, I can. These have been here since 1994. These are the original factory lights. And they've been doing pretty good. Okay, now we're going to install them. Damn.
Snap. Adjust it, make sure you want to adjust it, because you don't adjust it, it'll be a pain in the butt. But yeah, as soon as I got adjust it. Hold on.
Both of them on. Make sure you guys to press this here, like press it down a little bit, not all the way, but just a little bit. I'm gonna test it out and see if it works. I'm not sure if there's a certain way these have to go. I got this one spot on. Oh, I should have tested it with this. I'm fucking stupid. But I just gotta see. Now the hard part is this part, like putting it back in, just because this shit's like barely any space here. It's a lot better to have them like that, actually, to have them like that pointing this way, because they're just a lot brighter. Oh, these are so nice. They're in. Look at this. Yes, sir. Look at that. Woo! If I want to make these even brighter, I recommend getting just a new plastic piece, a new plastic trim if you guys can. Maybe like a clear one, or I don't know, it's up to you guys. Maybe that will make it 20 times brighter, but just the lights themselves are already bright. Now we're going to try to move on to the mirrors. So sadly, the ones I bought, these ones are smaller, and this is what I got. And this just won't fit at all, unless maybe I took out this, but I don't think so. I mean, we got this done, which is pretty cool, so I think I might just name this one like adding LED dome lights instead of the mirror ones. So at least I tried though. That's what counts. Now we're gonna get some nighttime footage and just check and see what that's pretty cool. I still love that. Get some nighttime footage and see what it looks like. Pretty much the Mustang lights look like that, like all ugly brownish, kind of like Alex, but they look like this. They're pretty, and now the new ones look like this. Y'all see that? Simple little things like this can make a car really pop off. Cause look, it's dark, right? Like, you lost something down there, you can't see it. Boom. Hold on. There it looks a lot better. It's because it was like zoomed out. That's crazy though. But that is it, y'all. Pretty much it's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry, it's like 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning right now. So I haven't slept. But hope you all enjoyed the video. Y'all know what to do. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Comment pineapple if you made it long. I mean, made it this through. Or made it this far. I can't speak. What else? Thank y'all for 200 subscribers. I love y'all. I really appreciate y'all. Let's try to hit 500 so I can get monetized and, make a better post and stuff like that. But other than that, hope you guys have a good day. Be safe and see y'all next time.